thadapado nganzu channel di thola inji tatu ki lopche thusum namsha ki lopche nyendung pemangbo chitang yorerwa ta taring nganzu khari chigi shipaina lenge nganzu ki susuki inji tatu neche khwapati yume thado ni nyam to exist tangin derwa lenge to chikbuchi la thiwa chikbuchi mare ngarai anyam do chigi khandi chagur shipaina thazik chigi ya khache dinanglo la thiwa khachu yo peje thiwa shipchu yo samstige sama nyam do che doji al lenge to ki kisi susuki neche khwa yo pa ha khodu yo paina taring nyendung muti sirona Khamsang linge nyeming la kizum siyo ngasu dunda dakba phege toni inji labia jangai ki nyendong sum dangi yore lenge so phege shinge patang phege toni inji jangde yo paina inji ngansu channel to la subscribe na rona laso takozugi laso linge ani tharing ngansu ki ikje tangsa ki thasik dikhar reshu paina British-study.com the BSc education nashtoara thinere tasham na thiwa shipchure chiyo rwangi thangi thangachi konjungyam do chigi in the to short 40 short multiple choice questions about English grammar tanganzo ngegi leng khari imbal henge cholangi ke screen nang la khari imbadi damya che lenge chogi ngenyam dolo susu khari samge dungi option shi di mal lagirwa susu dus chigi chine nganzo chikta ginda thangbo dash the better team we lost the match. Options are despite of being yangna despite being yangna although yeah somebody despite being the better team we lost the match ra nipa ngi teshe da dige mangbu ji jagume da khajina na ngaran ju igze dang de ta dige khoa kha ju me ju so ha ko yo ba ro ji ko yorta nipa you dash better to see a doctor you did better you would better to see a doctor. You should better to see a doctor. You had better see a doctor. You had better see a doctor. Next. I dash a reply to my letter in the next few days. I hope a reply. I expect a reply. I wait for a reply. I get letter to my letter in the next few days. Di nipade. I expect a reply to my letter in the next few days. How long dash English? How long do you learn English? How long are you learning English? How long have you been learning English? How long you learn English? The CD. How long have you been learning English? Next, we arrived dash England 2 days ago. We arrived to England, we arrived in England, we arrived on England, we arrived at England. We arrived in England 2 days ago. Next, she dashed me to go to school. She set me to go to school. She told me, yana she suggested me, yana she made me to go to school. BD. She told me to go to school. lessons. Okay, next. By this time next year, I dash all my exams. I will have taken all my exams. I will take all my exams. I take all my exams. I have taken all my exams. In the future, I will have taken all my exams. Next, when Simon dash back tonight, he will cook dinner. When Simon comes back tonight, when Simon will come back tonight, when Simon come back tonight, when Simon shall come back tonight. When Simon comes back tonight. Next, you aren't allowed to use your mobile, so it's no point to leave it on. Yangna, it's no point in leaving it on. Yangna, there's no point in leaving it on. Yangna, there's no point to leave it on. Karim batudo. CD batudo. Okay. Next, I would like dash information, please. I would like an information. I would like some information. I would like piece information. I would like a piece information. I would like some information, please. Okay, next. Is Joe dash Chris? Is Joe taller than Chris? Is Joe taller Chris? Is Joe as tall as Chris? Yangna, is Joe more tall Chris? More tall as tall as Chris. Tim dash work tonight. Tim isn't going work tonight. Tim isn't work tonight. Tim isn't going to work tonight. Tim isn't to work tonight. CD. Tim isn't going to work tonight. I don't like coffee. Dash do I. So do I. Neither do I. Either do I. No do I. Neither do I. Why are you so hungry? Dash I. Oh, sorry. Oh, I dashed breakfast this morning. I hadn't breakfast this morning. I didn't breakfast this morning. I didn't have breakfast this morning. I haven't breakfast this morning. Correct. I didn't have breakfast this morning. Right? Okay, next. Have you visited London? Answer correct. Not yet. Ever. Already. Not. Tadi not yet yang do yore. Already yang do doara. Let's go with thandaba dunyung me. Not yet. He's interested dash learning Spanish. He's interested on learning Spanish. He's interested to learning Spanish. He's interested in learning Spanish. He's interested for learning Spanish. He's interested in learning Spanish. I come dash England. I come from England, at England, to England, beyond England. I come from England. Okay, next. I am fed up dash this exercise. I am fed up with doing this exercise. I'm fed up to do this exercise. I'm fed up to doing this exercise. I'm fed up for doing this exercise. I'm fed up with doing this exercise. Okay, next, she has been dash of murdering her husband. Tadi the option mata ne accused in bahagudwa. Charged, accused, arrested, blamed. She has been accused. Okay. You should dash your homework. You should make your homework, do your homework, work your homework, give your homework. Do your homework. The tree dashed by lightning. Correct. The tree was flashed by lightning. The tree struck by lightning. Yana, the tree was struck by lightning. Yana, the tree flashed by lightning. The tree was struck by lightning. Next. I went to the shop, dash some chocolate. For buying some chocolate, for buy some chocolate, to buy some chocolate, buy some chocolate. I went to the shop to buy some chocolate. Okay, next. He told me that he dashed in Spain the previous year. He has been working in Spain the previous year. He had been working in Spain the previous year. He has worked in Spain the previous year. He had been worked. He told me he had been working in Spain the previous year. She looks dash she's going to be sick. She looks as if she's going to be sick or as she's going to be sick. She looks like she's going to be sick. Yana, she looks if she's going to be sick. She looks as if she's going to be sick. Dash to school yesterday. Do you walk to school yesterday? Did you walk to school yesterday? Did you walk to school yesterday? Or have you walked to school yesterday? C. Did you walk to school yesterday? Next. We would never have had the accident if you dash so fast. If you wouldn't been driving so fast, Yangna, hadn't been driving so fast, Yangna, had driven so fast, Yangna, wouldn't drive so fast. Let's go with hadn't been driving so fast. Okay, take that. Next, you dashed the cleaning. I would have done it tonight. You need not have done the cleaning. You couldn't have done the cleaning. I would have done it tonight. You can't have done the cleaning. I would have done it tonight. You wouldn't have done the cleaning. I would have done the cleaning. You need not have done the cleaning. I would have done it tonight. There aren't dash people here. Much people marwa di uncountable nyamdurwa. Many people here. a lot people here, some people here. There aren't many people here. It dash my brother. It is ages that I didn't see my brother. Yana, it is ages since I saw my brother. Yana, it was ages that I haven't seen my brother. Yana, it was ages since I saw my brother. It is ages since I saw my brother. Okay, can you tell me when the train leaves? Yana, when does the train leave? Yana, can you tell me when leaves the train? Yana, does leave the train. Can you tell me when the train leaves? Okay, leaves. Option A. If only I kisi yimba ina ladila khatu yimba ina I yimdola word yimba rwa, the option B dikhabdu tiga. Okay, if only I were richer rida, if only I am richer mare, if only I would be richer mare, if only I will be richer mare. Imaginary rwa, if only kisi yimba ina ladila rwa. Okay, the doctor gave me a dash for some medicine yesterday. Doctor gave me a note tirwe, receipt. Yang na prescription, yang na recipe. Kari tigre doctor ki ngonzola shugute yo di prescription main kari nyogo yore sago yore la di prescription rida. Okay. They have put speed bumps. Speed bumps lana lamga langonzo ki ham do mangbu sugu doara. That is called speed bumps. Okay. They have put speed bumps on the road to dash accident, to avoid accident, yang na to prohibit accident, yang na to prevent accident, yang na forbid accident, to prevent accidents. Okay, you should dash swimming. You should start up swimming, get off swimming, take up swimming, take off swimming. You should take up swimming. Okay, tadiwa the lengi so nginyam the chede yo baina lengi sangwala thumbs up jiye and dig de baina thumbs up ngiye da. Laso mutin dungi. I want to be a teacher when I grow re, when I age re, when I grow up re, yang na and more years re, when I see the grow up. Okay, where's the dash post office, please? Where's the most near? Nyeshule del most near lung marwa. Where's the near post office de marwa? Nyeshule de garre more near re marwa. Where's the nearest post office? Okay. The best way to learn a language is dash a little every day. Speak a little every day. Yang na in speaking a little every day, to speaking a little every day, yang na by speaking a little every day. The best way to learn a language is to speak lana one china yakwe yodoshdoara ta by speaking lane do speak a little tanga di tanda confused chastara ine yangege. The best way to learn a language is by speaking a little every day. Okay. Next. Did you speak to Juliet? No, I haven't dash seen her. No, I haven't nearly seen her, hardly seen her, often seen her, always seen her. I have hardly seen her. Lasso. Next. Would you mind dash the window? Would you mind closing the window? Close the window, to close the window, closed the window. Would you mind closing the window? Okay, his office is on the second of the building, second floor of the building. Level ground stage remember che ta dusine nganzugi submit chi share. Okay, laso so 100% digdu advanced nang la ledu. Laso an lengi so nganzu nyam dala chedio bada susu ke khaja digim baina thumbs up an ngi ge thazik de sham ge description na loksha ko lengi susu jala tashana yan digre. Laso lengi ani taring kinyen dun dirang zami taring kinyen dun lengi chola pen thokpo thokdo do chung yo ni rewa chigi ye ma penge la subscribe na yu na injik subscribe na ni pero na Instagram thola yang follow nangi me paina nge khajang handle dire lengi chogi package pene follow na rona an jama ngi nus na lengi sama kya tije gi rewa chigi ye tipa de lengi sama chapu chini shuru na ngansingem de inji jani shuru na